Traders, let's take a look at what's on the move this morning. On the move, we got wprt up over 42%, almost 3 million traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. We got snpr up over 38%, almost 4.5 million traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. pltr up almost 11%, over 4 million traded pre-market. That's in play this morning. There's a lot of small price stocks this morning, a lot of green this morning, so we'll see what we can grab out of this market. pltr, we're going to take this long right here at the bid. We are in pltr, 300 shares at 37.24. We're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we are out. Nice. We took a quick close to 40 cents. 300 shares though, and this is probably going to get a pullback here. But at the open here, I just wanted to take a quick breakout here. We're going to take AMC short here if we can. All right, we are short AMC at 660. If we look at the daily here, we got a bear flag formation here. It dropped from 2250 all the way down to 660 area here, and it's consolidating. A lot of dip buying going on. Oh, there it is. It's dropping. Let's take a look at this up close here. We're looking like for 30-40 cents. It's a small price stock, so I'm not going to ask for so much. Stop loss will be over the highs. We're actually going to put a stop out here at 685. All right, we got our stop out right before it breaks out, because if it gets up to that area, more likely than not, it will break out over the highs, because the shorts will just have to come out of it. We are short wprt at 11.99. This is a good sized gap higher this morning. It's about midway from the highs and the lows, so it could go either way. So we're going to put our stop right over the highs here, or near the highs, because if it takes out the highs, it'll just continue. So we'll put our stop at 1250. We got our stop out right before it breaks out over the highs, and if it doesn't, we'll take it below 1150. About 50 cents each way, give or take. We'll see what happens. The market's just consolidating. If we look at the SPY, it's just consolidating here. It's not doing anything. It had a green candle, and then a big fat red candle, and a big fat green candle, and now it's just trying to figure out what its next move is going to be. It's up for the morning. It's near all-time high, so more likely than not it will climb, because it's at all-time high. Shorts cover. But WPR, it's coming down here. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We're also in AMC. It's not really doing anything right now, so we got our stop out though, so we don't have to worry about it. AMC, we're actually going to take this right here if we can. We're not going to wait. We're just going to take this. Come on. All right, we are out. We are out just because it's dropped quite a bit from the highs here, and more likely than not, it might pull back here. I'm just coming out with, what is that? 20 cent gain on it. A little over 20 cents. No big deal. Cancel that order. That was a stop order. Just canceled it. WRPT, we're still in this. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We got our stop out. We're green, but I like to see it below the lows before I take it. But if it doesn't drop soon, we will have to come out of it because it's up for the morning. You know what? We're going to come out of it right here. I don't like this anymore. All right, we are out. Cancel this order up here. We are out. We took, what is that? Only about 15 cents. No big deal. Should have dropped. It's not dropping, so more likely than not, it's going to climb. We gave it a few candles. We are short clov at 1267. Daily looks really good for a short because it's been dropping for a while now. You know, there's a lot of red in this stock, but there's a pullback here from the lows, and it pulled back pretty hard. But there's no continuation today. We think it'll drop to at least 12. We're thinking at least near 12, 12.10. Maybe we'll take it around there. Maybe a little bit more. We'll see what happens. The market just started to climb. It was consolidating, but now it's climbing. Don't like that. CLOV here. All right, we got 20 cents or so. Not enough. We'd like to see a little bit more, but it's a small price stock, so you can't get too crazy. and think you're gonna get too much from him. Alright, let's come out of this right here. Come on, don't pull back. Alright, we're gonna pull this up a little bit. I want to come out of this trade. I don't want to stay in this anymore. The way it's pulling back here. Come on! Alright, we're out. Alright, we're full out. Alright, we came out with a little over 20 cents. No big deal. We wanted a little bit more, but it started pulling back really hard. The market's climbing. We are short cciv at 33.40. Not sure if this is a good idea because it's up so much on the daily, but intraday it gapped down a little bit and then it just sold right off. Rallied hard all the way back up to yesterday's close, and then now it's dropping right back down to the lows. Alright, here we go, here we go. Let's take a look at this thing up close. We're just looking like 30-40 cents off of this, not too much. Target's going to be around 33, below 33 if we can. Stop loss will be over 34.80 area. Here it comes. Alright, let's take this right here. We're going to take this right here. Come on. Come on, let's take this. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going a little bit more. Now we're going to push this up. It's taking too long here. Come on. Don't pull back. Alright, let's take this. Come on. We're going to pull this up. We just want to come out of this. Alright, we are out. We are out. Not as much as I wanted, but it is a small price stock, so you can't expect too much from these stocks. But look at it, it's coming down right now. I should have waited. But we got, what is that? About 26 cents or so. We are short AMC one more time here. We think this is just pulling back from the lows here, and it's just going to drop again right below the lows. We're looking for about 20-30 cents. Small price stock, so you can't expect too much from this. Stop loss will be over 660 area around here. That'll be the stop loss area. We'll see. If it continues to climb at a slow pace, we'll come out of it early because that means they're just buying it. But if it turns around soon, we'll take it somewhere below the lows here if we can. We'll see what happens. It's coming back down here. A lot of dip buying going on here, and they all put their stops right below the lows here. And when it don't work out, you get a nice cascade down to at least a whole number, 6 maybe. AMC, it's looking good here. Like to see it below 620, but it's having a hard time here. Come on. We're actually going to put our target out at 620. And if it goes there, we'll just come out of it because it might come back up a little bit after it drops there to 620. Should give us about 15 cents. No big deal. A lot of volume. If you look at these volume bars, look at the size of these volume bars here. Look at this thing. These are 2-minute candles. You know, the more I look at these volume bars, I want to get out of the trade. You know, we're going to get out of this thing right here. There's going to be a massive squeeze here. Let's get out of this. Come on. Alright, we are out. We're out. It's going to be a massive squeeze in this. I don't want to be part of it. You know, I think it'll probably shoot up to 650. The market's telling me, get out of this trade. You're up. Not much. We were up like, what? 8 cents. We took 8 cents out of that trade. No big deal. But if this thing squeezes, we'll lose 50 cents. And I don't want to take that chance just because of the market. But we're green all morning. Every trade was green. All small winners. All small winners. We upped our size a little bit, up to 300 shares. But that's going to be it for us today. We're up 377. Let's take a look at the trades. 6 winners, 6 small winners. Our biggest winner on pltr. Thanks for watching.